Hello students, in this video we are going to learn some 2-mark questions with solutions in the chapter Trigonometry exercise 3.2 for class 11 students. So these 2-mark questions are very important and frequently asked 2-mark questions in the examination point of view. So the question number 1 is express each of the following angles in radian measure: 30 degree, 135 degree, minus 205 degree, 150 degree, 330 degree. So to convert these degree measures to radian measures, there is a simple step, that is we have to multiply the degrees by pi by 180. That is, if we multiply 30 degree by pi by 180 means we will get, if we cancel this 30 and 180 with the third table means we will get pi by 6 radians. So don't forget to mention this radians in the answer. And your 135 degree, 135 into pi by 180, which is equal to, if we cancel this 135 and 180 with the fifth table means we will get 27 into pi by 36, which is equal to, and 27 and 36 are cancelled by ninth table, so 3 into pi by 4, which is equal to 3 pi by 4 radians, and minus 205 degree, which is equal to minus 205 into pi by 180, which is equal to 205 and 180 will be cancelled with the fifth table, and your answer will be minus 41 into pi by 36, which is equal to minus 41 pi divided by 36 radians. And 150 into pi by 180 will be 150 and 180 are cancelled with fifth table, and your answer will be 30 into pi by 36, which is equal to, and this 30 and 36 are being cancelled with sixth table, and your answer will be 5 into pi by 6, which is equal to 5 pi by 6 radians. And finally 330 degree, so 330 into 5 pi by 180 will be, and if we cancel this 330 and 180 with fifth table means the answer will be 60 degree into pi by 36, which is equal to, and your 66 and 36 are been cancelled with sixth table, so 11 into pi by 6, which is equal to 11 pi by 6 radians. And please don't forget to mention this radians in your answer. So to convert these degrees into radian measure, there is a simple step, that is we have to multiply the degrees with pi by 180. So that's all about converting degree to radian. And if we are converting radian to degree means, so find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures, that is pi by 3, pi by 9, 2 pi by 5, 7 pi by 3 and 10 pi by 9. So to convert these radians into degree measure, so there is also a simple step, which is multiply by 180 by, so in 180 by pi. So in previous, that is radian to degree to radian, we have multiplied with pi by 180, and here we are going to multiply with 180 by pi. So if we multiply your pi by 3 into 180 by pi, the pi and pi will get cancelled, so 3 and 180 degree will be cancelled with the third table, and your answer will be 60 degree. And pi by 9, so pi by 9 into 180 by pi, so pi and pi gets cancelled, and 9 and 180 will be cancelled with ninth table, so your answer will be 20 degree. And 2 pi by 5 into 180 by pi, your pi and pi gets cancelled, and your 5 and 180 are cancelled with fifth table, and your answer will be 2 into 36, which is equal to 72 degrees. 7 pi by 3, so 7 pi by 3 into 180 by pi, which is equal to, pi into pi gets cancelled, so 3 and 180 degree are cancelled with third table, and your answer will be 7 into 60 degree, which is equal to 420 degrees. 10 pi by 9, which is equal to 10 pi by 9 into 180 by pi, your pi and pi gets cancelled, 9 and 180 degree are cancelled with ninth table, the answer is 10 into 20, which is equal to 200 degrees. So to convert these degree measures to radian measures, we are going to multiply those radian measures by 180 by pi only. So your third problem is, what must be the radius of a circular running path around which an athlete must run 5 times in order to describe 1 kilometer? That is, the athlete is going to run 5 times around the circular path to cover the distance of about 1 kilometer. That is, so distance to be traveled in 5 rounds is 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. So the distance to be traveled in one round is, so in 5 rounds the athlete is covered has covered 1000 meter, means in one round he will cover 1000 divided by 5, which is equal to 200 meters. So the path is a circular one. So let the radius of the circular path be r meter. So the athlete is running around the circular path. So we have to find out the circumference of the circle. So your circumference of the circle will be 2 pi r, that we all know about that. So 2 pi r is equal to 200 meter, that is the distance to be traveled in one round. And your 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r, which is equal to 200. And your r will be 200 into 7 divided by 44. So your answer will be 31.82 meters. So the radius of the circular running path is 31.82 meters. So don't forget to mention this answer after finishing all your steps in a problem. So that's why you can get full marks in the examination. So your fourth problem is, in a circle of diameter 4 centimeter, a chord is of length 20 centimeter, and find the length of the minor arc of the chord. So consider a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, that is here. O is the center of the circle, PQ is the diameter, so it is given as a 40 centimeter here. So your OQ and OP are the radius. So your OQ will be 20 centimeter, likewise your OP is also 20 centimeter, that is radius is 20 centimeter. So your chord length is 20 centimeter. So AB is 20 centimeter. AB is 20 centimeter here. So your OA and OB are also the radius of the circle. So they are also 20 centimeters only. And your chord length AB is 20 centimeter. So OC, if we draw a line which is perpendicular to AB from the center of the circle, means that is OC. So this point C is dividing the AB line equally. That's why the AC and BC will be equal. That is, AC is equal to BC, which is equal to 10 centimeters each. So if we consider the right angle triangle OCB, that is, from the circle, if we consider the right angle triangle OCB, so here let's assume that theta is in O point. So we all know that the sine theta will be the opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So these formulas and all I have given in previous videos, that is basic trigonometric formulas part 1. So please refer that. And in this triangle, so theta is in O point. So the sine theta will be opposite by hypotenuse, which is BC divided by OB. So the answer will be 10 divided by 20, which is 1 by 2. Hence, if you refer the trigonometry table, the 1 by 2 will be for sine 30 degree. So sine theta is equal to 30 degree, which is pi by 6. So your angle AOB will be, so that is, if your angle BOC is 30 degree, that is pi by 6, means your AOB will be double the BOC. So 2 times the pi by 6, which is equal to pi by 3, which is 60 degree. So we all know that in the problem that is given as r is equal to 20 centimeter, which is theta is equal to pi by 3. So the we know the formula of arc length. Arc length is AB is equal to theta into r. So your theta will be pi by 3 and your radius is 20 centimeter. So the resultant will be AB is 20.93 centimeters. So the chord length, so the length of the minor arc of the chord is 20.93 centimeter here. So that's all about the answer here. So here we have to memorize the formula for arc length AB as theta into r, and your sine theta trigonometry table, and the AOB angle, how to find the AOB angle only. So the fifth problem is find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. So here the radius and the arc length are given. So your radius is r is equal to 100 centimeters, that is a given data, and your arc length is 22 centimeter, that is also given in the problem. So we know the formula which links this radius and the arc length already. So that is arc length is theta into r. So the arc length we know that, and the radius also we know. So your arc length is 22, which is equal to theta is unknown into r is 100 centimeters. So theta will be 22 divided by 100, which is 0.22 radians. So the answer will be in radians. So if we want the degree measure of the angle, so we have to convert this radian into degree measures. So we already know the formula for converting radian to degree, that is theta in degrees is equal to 180 by pi into theta in radians, that is 180 by pi into 0.22. So if we substitute 3.14 or 22 by 7 for this pi value, means we will get the answer as 12.6. So the 12 is the whole number, so we can write this 12 as 12 degrees, and this 0.6 is a fraction number, that is 6 by 10. So 12 degrees and 6 by 10. So this 6 by 10 is going to be converted as inches. So to convert this into inches, we have to multiply this by 60. So multiplying 6 by 10 by 60, we will get 36 inches. So the answer in theta in degrees will be 12 degrees and 36 inches. Therefore, your degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle is 12 degrees and 36 inches. So these are all the important 2-mark questions in exercise 3.2. So if you have any doubts, just ask me through yadamkeli20@gmail.com. So if you want any more problems to be solved by me, just comment in the comment section. You can ask your questions and queries too. Please don't hesitate to ask. You can ask to yadamkeli20@gmail.com. Thank you.